To help your Z-Series mower to operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Cleaning and changing the air filter on your Z-Series mower powered by the Kawasaki engine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have parts required to complete this task. To clean or replace the filter, first clean any debris around the cover, then remove the cover. Loosen the pipe clamp first, then remove the filter. If cleaning the filter, clean the base as required and check the condition. After installing the new filter, carefully tighten the clamp. On the Z231KW series mowers, the filter should be cleaned every 100 hours and replaced every 200. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for all of the maintenance intervals. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.